This is a pump action shotgun I'm working on. Pretty much reloads it at. Reloads that piece there. So we've got some pretty good sights as well. And pretty much as you can see, I can see you. Evil one. So pretty much at one point it's going to be brilliant once it's done. I just need to figure out how to build a handle and trigger. I think I may have found something that may come handy for the trigger, which I'm going to show you. As you know, see, a lot of you steampunk fans out there may find it a little bit handy. So anyway, it's pretty much this little spring upon a bit of plastic with some notches and stuff for very little few tools I've got around the house. And now my only power tool is a rotary drill, so pretty much it's only good for woodwork. So yeah, bending metal without tools with nothing but pliers is difficult. So anyway, pretty much made this tape and only paper. Not yet. Seems to be pretty stiff. Except my camera makes it look like it's made of jelly. So pretty much this may come out good, may come out bad, and I hope you people on YouTube and all you YouTubers out there may find it handy. And since I'm also emailing this to my dad, best he knows, I've got a YouTube page, and that's the reason I'm talking like this. Now, goodbye, and